Yeah, welcome to this video. We're going to explain Pork Pie Roundabout in 8 minutes. On the left here is a bus lane. It's full time. All the bus lanes on walk time do not go in those bus lanes there. We're coming on the right hand side because we're taking the fourth exit right to Attlee Way on the ring road. Now, if you are taking the first, the second or the third exit, be on the left hand side. It is the same approach. See where those cars are, left hand side, it feeds you around to the first exit, down to Foss Park, the second exit or the third exit into town. So you can see those there. Now we are taking the fourth exit right, and basically what we're going to be doing, we're going to be staying in this right lane and staying, see the centre line, we're going to stay adjacent to that centre line all the way round, and we are going to be following that centre line round and spiralling out to the left hand side. So here we go, we're going across there, got a nice 3D camera here, that's all held up by traffic lights, no problem at all. See the centre line here, we're following it round, follow it round onto the island. So you've come across the spiral to the left lane, it makes life so much easier. You can take the right lane, but believe me, it's a lot easier to be on the left, because on the right hand side, you have to filter back into the left hand side anyway. So there we go, watch out for these traffic lights, there's the Pork Pie. They change very quickly. Now we're coming up now from the city centre, and the city centre we are going to be going which way are we going? We're taking the second exit. Now the thing is, on the left hand lane it will feed the first, the second, the third exit. On the right it feeds the fourth and the fifth exit. We're going to be coming across left. Keep an eye on that car. Again, full time bus lane. They haven't got the memo, they're undertaking me, they're in a rush, they shouldn't have gone in there. So when you come over to the left hand side, you must make sure you've checked your left hand side, pop a signal on to come across, making sure it's absolutely fine, because it could be a bus or a taxi coming through. So here we are on the left hand side, you can see first exit left, the second exit goes into Wigston, the third exit goes back to the test centre, South Wigston. See what we're going to do there, we're going to peel it round, so it's the same exit out of here. Now this is a very big hill start, by the way, so be very careful, make sure you get some extra power there. So you're doing first exit, second exit you stay to the left hand side, third exit you sort of come to the middle lane, and then if you're taking the fourth or the fifth exit you'd be on the right hand side. So we're going to be taking, I believe, the third exit. I'm following on for there, waiting for these traffic lights to change, see what's going on there, memorise that. We'll be taking the third exit, that's to take us back to the test centre. If you carry on, goes to South Wigston. So you've got a little picture there in the corner as well. Again, we're having a look. I see the candidate here. He's just had a bit of a stall. It's not the end of the world. Hasn't held anything up too much. It's just a driver error. What he didn't do there was panic. So there we go. It's clear on the right, held up by traffic lights. See the left hand side, that takes you to the second exit. The left would have been round to the first exit. Here we are. We spiral across again to the left hand side and taking the third exit into South Wigston. A very common way of coming back to the test centre at the end of your driving test. So we're following it down there. What's the next one? Let's have a look. I'm watching this live time on here, following it back. This is taking us back to South Wigston Test Centre. Sometimes you have to pull up the left hand side here and move off, just watch out for extra traffic. I was expecting this to edit to the next one. What is going on? We're carrying. Oh, whilst I'm here, then like and subscribe. We are landing a video at our Drive School of Motoring every other day. Like, subscribe, press notify, or you probably won't get the next video. Here is the next aspect of it here. We're coming from Stonesby Avenue, which is from Wigston, and we are going to be taking the, I think it's the fifth exit down there. So we're following down this road. Pork Pie, you can see it on the right there. Just steady my camera. There we go. And yeah, you can see, so now this is different because you don't have the traffic lights here. You have to fit in with the other traffic. So arguably, coming from the two minor roads is a lot harder than if you come from the two major roads on the ring road or going from Saffron Lane into the town centre. We're on the right hand side, because the left hand side we're going down to Foss Park, first or second exit, so it's slightly different. We're looking for an opportunity here to fit in with the phasing of the lights. And we're going to be going over to the roundabout. So you can see it's a third lane, the one on the right. The left one and the middle one is for going down to Foss Park, down the ring road. So look, we've come over to the right here, held up by the traffic lights. Now we're going to go to the city centre, and you can see from that, if you're going city centre or the one before, you take the left lane and spiral out. And if you're going round, which is the fifth exit round to do the ring road, you come across to the island and you kind of join in like we did on the very first one when we went fourth exit right down the ring road. So here we go, we're going down, got your paint, follow the paint in, spiraled over to the left. Now you can either Same lane if you want to go left down there, or what we're doing, the 4th exit, left signal there as you're coming off. Watch out for cars on the right. Again, this is slightly trickier. This is coming up from Wigston Lane, the other one that's not controlled by traffic lights. Bit of a hill start again. So we're coming in here, and again, this is going to feed all exits. There's only one exit on the minor road this side. No traffic lights as well, so I'd argue this is probably the toughest one to do, and with the hill start makes it extra hard, so do practice it as well. So if you're going first exit left, just go around to the left, ditto around to the 2nd exit. We've come across to this side because we're going to be going over to the island. See, it's a bit of a struggle to fit 2 cars in there, isn't it, really? So, oh look, we're coming straight across. You see, so the 2 exits, the left and the middle one, for going down the ring road. We've come across there, and that will feed either the 3rd exit to Wigston or the 4th exit to South Wigston. And look, we're coming round there and splits it into 3. So Wigston is on the left-hand side, following it through, so you go against that island. We kind of did that before. This lane goes round to the what is the 4th exit, which is spirals around again. So it's all about spiraling on this Pork Pie Roundabout, getting your lane, identify your lane, stick in your lane, and that goes back down there. And if you were going to go for spot, you come to the right hand side and peel in and spiral at the next one here. So here we go, Saffron Lane, 5th exit to Wigston. This is a bit more tricky. So we've done the ring road one, 5th exit from Saffron Lane. So again, we're on the right hand side, and we're going to go all the way round and go at the 5th exit to Wigston. So we've done this before at the very beginning. We did 4th exit down the ring road. It's a slightly different path. So we're not going to hold them to the centre line this time. We're going to aim for the island in the middle of the roundabout, aim for the roundabout and stick to that, and then pick up that lane to take us to the 5th exit. So they're kind of all joining together, really. We're just joining in at different times. So here we go. Cars held back by the traffic light. Follow it down. And look, we've come across into there. Now follow the curb of the roundabout on the right. So following it round, follow it round. We're now on the 3rd exit, 3rd lane. Look, we're coming here. And if you're going in the 2nd lane, you go down that side. Look, we've spiraled in. We're spiraling out to the left there. And we're going to be following the fan. So it all joins up, doesn't it? It's very similar to some of the exits we take, just coming from a slightly different lane, slightly different angle. So there you go. Onto left-hand side, spiralling out onto the 5th exit, and it takes us all the way down to there. So there we go. I hope that's really helped. Get out there and drive it. Practice it as much as you can. Like and subscribe. New videos every 2 or 3 days. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, notify as well.